In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple yet useful skill, how to sort information in a Microsoft Word file using the sort function. Whether you're organizing dates, names, or any list of information, this guide will help you master sorting with ease. So let's get right into it and turn that jumble of information into a neat and organized document. First things first, start by opening up your Microsoft Word file. If it's not already open on your computer, go ahead and locate it in your Documents folder or from wherever you typically store your files. It's important to have your document ready as we're about to jump into sorting it efficiently. Now that you have it on your screen, take a moment to scan through all your entries. We need to identify exactly what it is we want to sort. In our example today, I'm going to show you how to sort dates. However, these steps will apply to sorting any text or numbers in your document, not just dates. Once you've decided what portion of your text will be sorted, the next step is to select this information. Carefully use your cursor to highlight the text or column holding the data that requires sorting. If it's a list of dates, make sure every single date that needs sorting is highlighted properly. Being precise here is crucial, as the sort function will only operate on the selection you highlight. We are now ready to activate the sort function, which is very handily located in the Home tab of Microsoft Word, specifically within the Paragraph section. Look for a button labeled Sort. Clicking this button will open a dialog box specifically dedicated to sorting all kinds of information, just like ours. In this dialog box, you'll see various options to configure the sorting operation. Since we're focusing on sorting dates in this example, we need to set the Sort By parameter to the column where your dates are situated. Often this is the column already containing your selection. Equally importantly, change the type to Date. This ensures that the function understands it's handling dates and not treating them as plain text. Then ensure the order is set to Ascending. This way your dates will arrange neatly from the earliest to the latest, and just like that, you're done. This simple process should have reordered your data in a much tidier fashion. You'll see how quick and straightforward it is to make sense of your information by leveraging Microsoft Word's sort function. No more manually sifting through lists. Let Word do the heavy lifting for you. Next time your document looks like a scrambled puzzle, you'll know exactly how to get everything in order, and that's a superpower in keeping files orderly and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks to make your Microsoft Word experience even more robust and efficient. Thanks for watching and happy sorting.